Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to hide content of lock screen notifications on Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. So to do it, you just need to go to the Settings app, then scroll down until you see the lock screen and AOD. Then you can just see the lock screen notifications here, and now you can turn them on or off. If they are disabled, then there will be no notifications, but you can also show the notifications but hide their content. In order to do this, just click on hide content. Now on lock screen, I don't think I have any notifications, but if I had any, then I'll have them with the name of the app but without the content of the notification. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.